Assalamu alaikum. In 1776, the world witnessed a moment that changed history forever. 13 colonies, once loyal to the British crown, had reached a turning point. What began as resistance against unfair taxes, distant rule, denial of basic rights, slowly became something much bigger. A demand for freedom, self-government, and independence. This was not just a political movement, it was the birth of a new idea. An idea that ordinary people could govern themselves. An idea that liberty was not a privilege given by kings, but a right given by the Creator. An idea that a nation could be built on freedom, courage, and the dignity of human life. In Philadelphia, Thomas Jefferson drafted the Declaration of Independence, one of the most powerful documents in the world history. Its message was clear. All men are created equal. They are endowed with unalienable rights, including life, liberty, and the self-pursuit of happiness. And governments exist to protect those rights with the consent of the people. On July 4, 1776, the 13 colonies declared themselves free and independent states. Soon a new symbol began to rise, the American flag, with 13 stars and 13 stripes, representing the 13 original colonies, united in one purpose. Those stars were not just decorations, they were a statement to the world. A new nation had been born. And from that beginning, America grew into one of the most influential nations in the human history. From farms to factories, from manufacturing to medicine, from railroads to aviation, from the automobile industry to Silicon Valley, from life-saving medical discoveries to landing humans on the moon, from defending freedom to exploring space. America has shaped the modern world in almost every walk of life. This is a country built by courage, faith, sacrifice, innovation, immigrant workers, soldiers, scientists, teachers, entrepreneurs, and the dreamers. Today, as America celebrates its 250th anniversary, we are looking at the extraordinary journey of a nation. 50 states united under one flag and became the United States of America. Today, Americans living in every corner of this great land, from big cities to small towns and quiet villages, are celebrating Independence Day with full spirit, joy, and patriotic pride. Here in Brookfield, Wisconsin, the city has arranged a beautiful Independence Day celebration at Mitchell's Park, where families, children, and visitors have gathered to enjoy the evening together. So come with us and let's experience the music, food, festivities, and firework of this memorable celebration.
Sometimes I'll mess up these tricks to make them look more difficult, just to build the anticipation. And then there's also that.
As the music fills the air, people start dancing, laughing, and enjoying the evening. This is what makes public celebrations so beautiful. Different people, different backgrounds, different generations, all gathered in one place to share the same happiness. And then, finally, the moment everyone was waiting, the sky went dark, the crowd became silent, and suddenly, first fireworks lit up the night. One after another, color exploded across the sky. Red, blue, gold, silver, and white. The sound, the light, the excitement, and the reaction of the crowd made the whole park feel alive. Children were amazed, families were cheering, everyone was looking up at the sky, enjoying the spectacular fireworks display. These were truly memorable moments, a celebration of freedom, community, and togetherness under the night sky of Wisconsin. After the fireworks ended, we did not go home right away. To close the evening peacefully, we went to a nearby coffee shop, sat down, relaxed, and enjoyed a warm cup of coffee before leaving for home.
पहले की भाजी पहिला पासून ट्राय करते ये गुना दे भाजी भाऊजी ले
He said cheers.
Nois vermelha. Nois vermelha.
Assalamu alaikum. हबीबी या हबीबी चेता से किधर जाते हैं? ओ घर जाती हैं? ओ ख्याल आ गया घर जाने का? If this vlog touched your heart, gave you a moment of pride, or made you feel part of this celebration, please like, share, and subscribe to Ayan Television. Your support helps us bring more meaningful stories, beautiful places, and memorable experiences to you. I am Cornelia Shahid Beg. Thank you for watching Ayan Television. Allah Hafiz, brother. Allah See you soon with a new exciting vlog. Allah Hafiz.